All right, good morning, second graders. I'm actually filming these the day before I send them to you, so it is actually St. Patrick's Day today when I'm filming this to you. So my boys and I have our green on, and I think my boys are going to go on a leprechaun hunt later, see if they can find one. So anyways, we have your number talk ready for today. Patrick's ready here for day 2, and we're going to get started. So for right now, the problem I'd like us to solve is 28 plus 45. So again, go ahead and solve the video if you need some think time. Oh, I said solve, sorry. Pause the video if you need some think time. And then Patrick is going to let me know when he is ready. All right, he's got his thumb up. How would you go about solving this, Patrick?
So first I did 8 plus 5 is 13. So I kept the 3, but I put the 1 to, I put the 10 to 20. So now it's 20 plus 10 is 30 plus 40.
So you took this 10 out of the 13 and you're adding it to your 10's place? Okay.
So then
30
30 plus 40 is 70, and then it's 73 because it's 70 plus 3.
Okay. Thank you. So when I solved this problem myself, I thought of it as 30 plus 45. So I rounded up to the closer decade number here and made it an easier problem for myself. So now I have 30 plus 45, I know equals 75 because it's just 3 more 10s than 45. And then I went ahead and subtracted 2 from that sum to get to my actual sum of 73 because I had added 2 to the 28 to get to 30 here.
So pause this video and real quick, figure out what 27 plus 1 is, and then, if possible, figure out what 27 plus 10 is. Alright, so now let's think about it together. So you might have been able to do this one pretty easily. You might have said, okay, if I'm adding 1, it's just going to be the next highest number. From 27, I would go to 28 if I have 1 more. But the reason why I'm doing this exercise is we really think about place value. So over here, the number 27, we have a 2 in the tens place. This is in the tens place right over here. And then we have a 7 in the ones place. So you could visualize the number 27 as 2 tens, and I have 2 groups of 10 here, and then 7 ones, and I have 7 ones right over here. And then if I add 1 more, that's 1 more of these individual ones. And so what am I going to be left with? Well, I'm still going to have 2 tens. I'm still going to have 2 tens. But how many ones am I going to have now? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So it's going to be 28. So that might not be surprising for you, but it's really valuable to think about in terms of place value because it's going to be very useful later on as you learn more math. Now let's do the same thing with 27 plus 10. We already said the 27, that's 2 tens and 7 ones. And now with 10, the 1 isn't in the ones place, so it doesn't just represent 1. The 1 here is in the tens place. So we have 1 10 and we have 0 ones. So we just have the number 10 is just a group of 10 here. So when you add these together, what are you going to have? Well, now you're going to have 1, 2, 3 tens. So you're going to have 3 in the tens place, and then you're still going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. 7 ones. So notice, here when you added a 1, you increased your ones place by 1. And here when you added 10, which is literally 1 10, you didn't increase the ones place, you increased the tens place.
it.